Hello friends and welcome back to Finance for You. Today we are going to talk on two important aspects which are going to show the course or the direction that the Bitcoin might take in the future. What we saw yesterday was a brutal dump of Bitcoin up to the levels of 40,600 levels, and now it is consolidating in that phase. 40,400 to 40,700 levels are providing good support for Bitcoin. But today the important topic for discussion would be the moving averages. The main moving averages, the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average. Now what are these moving averages? They are the lagging indicators which show the price movement of the particular cryptocurrency we are discussing about, in this case Bitcoin. So this green line is the 50 daily moving average, and this red line is the 200 daily moving average. In the past, if we observe carefully, what we see is whenever this green line, the 50 moving average, crosses the red line, the 200 moving average from the top, we see a panic in the market and a dump is followed. This particular crossing over is known as death cross. On the positive side, whenever this green line crosses the red line or the 50 moving average crosses the 200 moving average from below, it is known as the golden cross and a pump is followed. So now we are witnessing history repeating itself. The green line is coming down towards the red, the 50 moving average is coming down towards the 200 moving average, and we might see a crossover again, a death cross, in another 2 to 3 days of time. If the slump in the prices they continue, what we can expect is a crossover in another 5 to 6 days of time. So probably in the next week, if this slump continues, we can see a death cross happening over here, and that, my friends, would be a point of concern. A panic sell would happen in the market and the Bitcoin could fall down to test the lower support levels. So this is one major concern point, the death cross. But at the same time, we have a little positive with us too, and that is the fear and greed index. Now if we have a look at the fear and greed index, right now the fear and greed index shows a value of 10. That is extreme fear in the market. There is extreme fear in the market. Now as we know, the technical analysis and fundamental analysis, they both are important, but at the same time sentimental analysis, they play an important role over here too. When the market is in red in terms of fear, when there is extreme fear in the market, Bitcoin prices, they generally show a small relief pump or probably a price reversal. Let me prove that using the chart. Now see, what do we have over here? These are the values of the fear and greed index starting from 2018 up till 2022. Whenever the fear and greed index has fallen up to the levels of 10 or below, we've always seen a reversal from there, or at least a relief bounce. Majority of us know it as a dead cat bounce. So right now, as we see, we are at the levels of 10 in the fear and greed index. So probably from here we might expect a bounce. Probably it might be a dead cat bounce too, so we all need to be careful over here. But that, my friends, is a positive sign over here. If that bounce is supported by a good volume support, a good volume backup, who knows, probably we might be able to break the upper resistance levels and then create a new support over there. So these are the 2 points I wanted to discuss today, and this was a quick video regarding number 1, a death cross that probably seems imminent at this point of time, occurring in the next couple of days, probably 4 to 5 days from now. If that happens, there is definitely going to be a panic sell, and if that doesn't happen and the fear and greed index, which is showing a value of 10 right now, gives us a relief bounce from here, who knows, probably we can get a bounce from here and aim for other future all-time highs. So that is all from my side for today. I would love to hear your viewpoints as well. Please let me know what you think about this scenario. Put your views in the comment box and we shall discuss on the same. I'll keep you regularly posted about Bitcoin updates. We'll see you soon. Till then, farewell.